Hey, what's up everyone? So today I'm actually quite excited to shoot this video. Reason being that this will be my first mod for the car, basically. Well, that's been done on video for you guys to see. So recently I bought this BC Racing Coilovers. It's the version 1 VM something, I don't know. It's only had the damper adjustable and not the cambering, and I bought this used from a friend that some other reason that he doesn't really want to talk about, and sold it. So I decided to take it off his hand, and let me flip the video around for you guys to see. Check this beauty. Okay, it's a BC Coilover. This is the dampering. I think 30 ways adjustable. Softer and harder, and today I'm trying to attempt in doing this myself. Wish me luck. I hope I have all the tools available. Anyways, this is for the front, this one is for the front, this one is for the rear, which only has the 2 bolts, and this is the link that actually comes with it, and it's adjustable, so you can, for fine-tuning the car. Let's see what's happening. And it's been used, so the the height has been adjusted, and he had a 18-inch wheel, so I thought, you know what, I'm gonna keep this and see how it goes once fitted, and see how low it is. If it's too low, then I'll just have to remove the wheel and readjust the height. Oh shit, where's this bolt for this? It's probably using a stock one. Anyways, let's get started. Okay, so we're just gonna have to jack up the car, remove the wheel, and I think there's like 3 or 4 bolts that needs to be removed on the stock suspension, and then someone will just have to remove the top as well. Okay, and then it's off. Let's see how it goes.
Take 2. Is it budging?
No, it's not moving at all. I don't even know which side to turn. Whoa, what the Lefty loosey, right?
Yeah, so I must go up, technically.
Is it this left or that left? Are you sure that's that side?
Should be. Do that.
Okay, yeah. Oh.
Ooh, something moves.
No, it seems like it's making it tighter.
Are you sure?
Oh, Jesus Christ. Ah. Nope. Ooh, check this out. Oh, that's a bitch. Okay, so guys, basically you just have to remove this bolt, this one, remove this, I think the ABS sensor off this bracket here, and then this brake line, fluid, whatever part. Now we need to remove this link, and this suspension can come out from the top. But Jesus Christ, some of these stuff are so difficult to get it off. So much easier in the tutorial. Mother. Oh, yes. Okay, before I take everything off, you get that sorted.
1 hour later.
Okay guys, so basically I tried to do this myself at home, but because some bolts are extremely tight because the car has been parked outside, so there's a lot of rusting happening. And you know what, in the end I decided to bring it to like a professional for them to actually do it. It's much easier, I guess.
A few moments later.
Okay, so you see, that's the new one fitted. Busy taking up the stock one. Okay, and let's see from the side how the height actually kind of looks. That's like an idea. It's still gonna drop a little bit more, so I'll just have to adjust the height when I get home. But so far so good, I guess. The rear one is so much easier. Basically just remove these bolts, so this thing moves and down. Strut bar moves ups and down, then you can just kind of go out and out. Okay, that's done, and yeah, it's actually lower than I imagined. Holy fuck. But it looks good though.